Just this one thing is missing. Let me add that.
In today's episode, we are creating a beautiful spa theme.
Trending bath theme backdrop from our latest collection with a matching floor. Putting the baby in a simple round bathtub with the spa dress and giving a foam-like effect with the cottons. I'm constructing this setup using a floral divider and a mannequin stand. I think we should reverse it because the light is coming from here. So I'm moving the mannequin stand here and the floral divider here so that the dark element comes near the light. Some champa flowers and lilies for the finishing touch. Something is missing. Adding these kutti shopping bags to complete the look.
And the trending spa theme is ready.